Sprinkle 16.
Hello everybody, today I'm going to do a food review on Nature Valley Sweet and Salty Nut Peanut Butter granola bars. So, in this box I think we have, 48 bars, and I heard that they're pretty good, so let's see. Here's what it looks like. Let's see the bar. So here we have the bar. It has the peanut butter under it and the granola and peanuts above it. So, yeah, it has a lot of flavor. It's good. I suggest if you're allergic to peanut butter and peanuts, don't eat this. So, back here we have the serving size. It's 170 calories per bar, and from those there is 8 grams of fat, 20 grams of carbs, and 4 grams of protein. So it's good for protein. I got these at Costco. I know they I don't think they're that bad in price. So, well, yeah, and by the way, I'm going to be taking recommendations on what I should review next. So give me a recommendation in the comments and I will shout out to you or your channel. So thank you. See you next time. Bye.